how you can fix your iPhone getting stuck on update requested. If so, this video is for you. Channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is checking your Wi-Fi's connection. Your update might get stuck because your Wi-Fi might not be working correctly. So go ahead and check your Wi-Fi's connection. And after you check your Wi-Fi connection and it's alright, you can maybe even try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode. And after doing that, just go to your settings. Now the reason your iPhone might get stuck on update requested is because you do not have enough storage for the update on your iPhone. So just go to General under Settings and go to iPhone Storage. Now check if you have enough storage for the update. And if you do have enough storage, you can just go back to your settings again, go to General and scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on it and tap on Reset. Now here you can reset your iPhone to its default setting. Your data won't get lost, but all of your settings will get set to the default. So tap on Reset All Settings and type in your password and your phone will restart, and you'll just have to tap on Update again and try to update your iPhone. So with that, your iPhone should not get stuck on update requested anymore, and it should go on the further processes. That is basically it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.